Artificial intelligence is here to rule us. It is going to take away and destroy all the data analyst jobs in the next 60 days. Relax, guys. That was the classic AI panic intro. Now that I have your attention, let us understand and analyze how AI tools and AI in general could affect data analyst jobs. First of all, I believe that AI could become a valuable tool that will improve a data analyst job productivity. Remember how we use a VLOOKUP formula in Excel or a group by formula in SQL or a pandas group by function in Python. Similarly, AI will bring us more formulas and more options to do more calculations and be more productive in our work. This is only going to enhance our work productivity as a data analyst and focus on more important tasks. Furthermore, I believe the emergence of all these plugins which are possible through these AI tools will further enhance user productivity for sure. Additionally, if this AI does develop at a rapid pace over the next few years, at some point, if AI is able to automate everything that a data analyst is doing, then think about other people who are not even tech. They are doing a lot of manual work. Imagine how many of those people will lose jobs. This seems highly improbable in the next 2, 3, or even 5 years. It might happen after a decade, but that's too long to think about right now. So, if you are a data analyst, what should you do presently? You should make AI your friend. Learn AI tools and embrace usage of AI technologies. It's going to only improve your productivity and also increase your value in the job market. Additionally, if you're a newcomer in this field, there's nothing better than AI to learn topics. Instead of taking highly paid courses online to learn a topic like SQL, you could make a tool like ChatGPT as your teacher and ask it relevant questions to understand topics. It is super cost effective and much cheaper and faster than hiring even a tutor or a teacher. If you're a current data analyst, learn more AI tools. If you already know Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI, add a new impetus to your profile by learning maybe about chatbots, about natural language processing, little bit of data engineering or some data science concepts. The more you add to your kitty, the more irreplaceable you will become. In the long term, potentially a work of 10 data analysts could be done by 3 or 4 data analysts because of the help of AI. You must be in that 30-40% of the population after a decade to be able to save your job. So keep these things in mind and work towards embracing AI technologies. Definitely AI can automate a lot of stuff, but still the data-driven decision making and interpretation will be in the hands of actual data analysts. So I believe that it's also adapting to technologies and adapting to these new paradigms that is going to help you stand out in the job market. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care.